Hello, Honors World Literature. It is I, Coach Hall, coming to you for our penultimate week together. That means next to last. Next Monday will be the beginning of our last week together. So, only got these 2 weeks together, and that's what I wanted to talk to you guys about today. Shouldn't be a lengthy video. I wanted to kind of go into some detail, maybe help answer some questions you might be having about today's post. I'm going to pull up the post itself actually. Okay, so we're separating these 2 weeks, okay, into 4 parts, right? There's Monday and Tuesday, today and tomorrow, right? And then there's Wednesday and Thursday, okay, this week. And then the exact same thing next week, okay? So think of it as a quarter, all right? So we're in the first quarter right now. Think of those as 4 quarters. We're in the first quarter right now, and then that's it. There's no final exam, there's no final essay, there's no final project, there's nothing like that. It's this last assignment. Okay, so just how we did 1,000 Splendid Suns in 4 parts, okay, that's kind of how we're doing this, just a shorter version of it, all right? So you're going to basically find in your book, all right, your independent reading book, like I said, I'm doing The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho, and it's a graphic novel. All right, I'm going to go with a theme. All right, Paulo Coelho wrote The Alchemist, and it's the ultimate hero's journey. All right, and this fits for me because hero's journey is one of the many themes, one of several themes from 1,000 Splendid Suns, you may recall. So I'm thinking to myself, okay, I got my theme in my head. I know the theme I'm going to choose. And if you look at the blog post, or sorry, if you look at the attachment for this today's assignment, you'll find that I kind of came up with just a bunch of general different themes that you could probably choose from, and then maybe some ideas to kind of go with it. All right. So I'm going to find an example of hero's journey. All right. So as I'm looking through this, he starts out in part 1 in Spain. All right, and he's a simple shepherd. All right, but he has big dreams, and he's going to go off. He's going to go on a journey, literal journey, off to Africa. All right, as a part of this soul-searching mission. All right, so if I'm thinking to myself, okay, I'm finding examples from the text. They could be exact quotes. They could be paraphrase, and then I'm reacting to that. Okay, so it's a journal. It's a journal. So for one example, I'm going to find it in the text, why this is an example of the theme, and then my reaction to it. Okay? You're going to do that 4 times, preferably throughout the text. Now, I know we're only 2 weeks together. So really, however you want to break that up is kind of up to you. I just need 4 different examples. And then 4 different reactions on your part. And it could be first person. It could be, I think this or I think that. It could be a prediction of what's going to happen next. It could be how you felt about it. I mean, think about all the different things we reacted to in 1,000 Splendid Suns. Think about all those different videos where I was reacting to what was going on. You can write it like that. Now, here's the beautiful thing. It's really at your own pace. I don't need this and need it like a copy of it. I would prefer to have it by Sunday, at least the first half. I would like those first 2 parts by Sunday. But I don't need it until I think, don't quote me on this, but I think next Thursday. So however you want to break that up is kind of up to you. It's kind of a go at your own pace. That's hence the independence part of it, right? So that's today and tomorrow's assignment. And then on Wednesday, I'm going to come back on Wednesday for another video on Wednesday, and I'm going to kind of help answer any questions or maybe even give my thoughts on what I've been doing, because like I said, I'm going to do it too. Maybe we could talk examples, or maybe we can kind of go over some themes or whatever. All right, so you're doing that. Example 1 is for the first 2 days, for the first quarter, like I mentioned. All right, example 2 is for Wednesday and Thursday. Example 3 is for next Monday and Tuesday. And example 4 is for next Wednesday and Thursday. If you want to do the whole thing this week and be like, I'm done with world literature, I'm done with world literature. If you want to do it all this week and be done, that's fine, because this is our last assignment. That's it. This sheet that I posted, this is it. This is how we're guiding our last 2 weeks. So that's why I'm going to start changing up our videos to Mondays and Wednesdays, maybe Fridays. Don't count on one this Friday because I'm actually going to be at the lake on Friday. Going out of town. Can you believe that? Traveling. That's kind of where I am on that. Let me know your thoughts or questions. You can comment on the YouTube. You can leave a YouTube comment. You can send me an email. You could still use Remind, or Remind still works. Anything like that you have a question on as far as this last. It's independent reading. We'll call it a double formative. It'll be a quiz grade basically. And you get this in, and then that's going to be it, man. I think we're all done. I think grades are due next Thursday, so we may need to have this done by next Wednesday. Something like that. So it may be actually, we have to do part 3 and 4 Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday next week. But otherwise, I mean, this is it. So I hope this all makes sense. I hope this video makes sense to you. Please do not expect another video tomorrow because at this point the videos would be overkill. I mean, for me to give you guys a daily video for this assignment would be too much. I know you want to see my smiling face every single day, but it would be difficult for me to come on here every day and every single day have something for you when this is the assignment. So I will check back in with you on Wednesday, probably not on Friday, and then Monday and Wednesday of next week. So expect about total, counting this video, 4 videos. And then we'll do the series finale next Wednesday. And that'll be it, man. That'll be it. It's going to be sad. Some of you will probably be happy. A lot of you probably won't watch it at all because I'm talking out into nothingness right now for some of you. I think last Friday's video had 2 views. So that's about where we are right now. So I hope you guys are doing this stuff. I hope this stuff makes sense. You don't have to watch the videos, okay? But if you want to, you can just click play and put it on mute. Let it run, you know. Anyway, I guess that's all I have for you. Yeah, like I said, just a series of short videos. Let me know what I need to address with this. So if there's stuff that, like, Coach Hall have questions, or Coach Hall, can you talk about this in specific, or can we go into what this theme means, or I'm doing my journal and do I need the quote, do I need page numbers? If you have specific questions, please email me, let me know, because that way I'll have stuff to talk about in future videos, in Wednesday's video and next Monday's video and things like that. Yeah. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great couple of days. I'll check back in with you on Wednesday, not tomorrow, okay? A little change of schedule in what we've been doing lately. I'm going to take a day off tomorrow. I'm not taking a day off, but take a day off from videos. And we'll come back on Wednesday for the next video. All right? Okay. So let me know if you have any questions. I'll talk to you then. I hope you are safe. I hope you are well. I hope you got some oxygen this past weekend. Tell your mom you love them. Or whatever. Grandma, aunts, whatever strong female person you have in your life. Tell them you love them. I hope you did yesterday as well. All right. That's it. See you Wednesday. Bye.